Deep in South America lies the Amazon rainforest, the largest tropical forest on Earth. Covering over 5.5 million square kilometers, the Amazon stretches across 9 countries. It's home to more than 400 billion trees, millions of species of plants and animals, and thousands of indigenous communities. This forest produces about 20% of the world's oxygen, earning it the name the lungs of the earth. But the Amazon is under threat. Deforestation and climate change are destroying this vital ecosystem faster than ever before. Protecting the Amazon means protecting life on our planet.